Hello students, so this is the new lesson for you, perimeter and area. I am your Shruti teacher. See, this perimeter and area you have studied about these words you have heard in a previous class about perimeter and area. See, about perimeter and area you have studied means then what is the meaning of perimeter, what is the meaning of area. So here in a brief way I can tell you, if any figure, it may be square, rectangle or a circle. See this boundary, the sum of boundary line means if it is a 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 means if you add these all four, maybe 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So this is called as a perimeter. Okay. So if this is a perimeter, then circle's edge, how much length is there? So that total is called as a perimeter. So it is boundary surrounded by the any figure. Okay, then what is the meaning of area? See, if I taken this figure only, see edge, the distance around the closed figure is called as a perimeter. Then area means how much paint I can do to the whole things. Okay, how much I can use the paint. So this is called as area. Okay, if this is a circle means I can paste a paper to the circle means how much paper I need, that is called as a area. Okay, so what is the meaning by the definition? Perimeter is the distance around a closed figure, whereas area is the part of a plane occupied by the closed figure. So it is a distance covered and a plane cover, part of a plane occupied by the closed figure. Okay, then what are the, how we can find the perimeter and area with the standard notations? So we have made the standard notation here. See, perimeter of a square, if it is a square you can take, so roughly I am drawing. See, perimeter means sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides means how many sides are there? 4, and all sides are equal itself here. Maybe A I can denote. So it is called as a 4A or 4 into a side, because 4 times a side is a perimeter. Then perimeter of rectangle. See, if it is a rectangle, maybe it is a length, breadth, okay, sum of all means length plus breadth plus one more length plus one more breadth. So how many length are there? 2 length are there, plus how many breadth are there? 2 breadth are there. So 2 is common for both, and length plus breadth here. In a shortcut, L plus B also we can locate here. Then area of a square. See, area of a square we can locate like this. If it is a side A, so A into A, or side into side is the area of square. If this is a rectangle, only, L into B, length into breadth. That's all. If it is a parallelogram is nothing but it is a type of a rectangle only, but in rectangle what is the condition? The angle should be 90 degree. Okay, but there is no condition for parallelogram as a 90 degree. So rectangle is also a parallelogram. Parallelogram means any opposite sides are parallel to each other. It doesn't have any condition for angles. Okay, maybe equal or not. So other conditions are there that you can study in further classes. So opposite sides are parallel and equal. Maybe this L, maybe this B, but it should not taken as a breadth. Why? Because breadth is always with a perpendicular distance. Okay, so that's why what we made, it is a side, this is a B side we can tell. Okay, because the perpendicular is not condition at all here to take the length and breadth. Okay, for that is parallelogram instead of base and height we can tell. Okay, base into height. Then area of a triangle. See here, if I drawn a one parallelogram I have drawn. So I made this, or one diagonal I have drawn to the parallelogram. See, one triangle, second triangle, isn't it? So if it is a two triangles we got, means it is a half of a area of parallelogram, isn't it? Yes. So it is a made the half. The parallelogram made half. So area of a rectangle is equal to half of a area of a parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is nothing but base into height. So half BH. Okay, half BH. Then circumference. See, instead of a perimeter, instead of perimeter of rectangle or a square, for the circle we are using the circumference because it doesn't have a sides. So circle doesn't have a sides, that's why instead of perimeter we are using the word as a circumference. So that means the circle has a boundary, with that the length of the one boundary is called as a circumference of circle. So that is called as a, it is pi into diameter. So pi into d. Why the pi is using? Because see, a one circle has a pi, the meaning itself is called, so pi, the pi value is 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. Why? Because in a circle what happens, if the I drawn like this, means a diameter containing a 180 degree length, so it may be occurs. So that's why it is called as a pi into d. Or sometimes instead of d I can use the radius. So d is nothing but 2 into r, isn't it? So you can use the circumference as 2 into pi r, or 2 pi r as a circumference of circle. Okay, then area of circle, pi into r square. So why? Because pi into r square. Why? Because if it is a radius, the distance r into r here, how much? Till 180 degree. So this is how the area of circle occupies, and some measurements are there here for the finding the areas, because we are multiplying to find the areas at that time, means so 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter gives the 1 centimeter square, because centimeter into centimeter as a centimeter square, 1 into 1 is 1, that's why. So 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeter. Why? Because see, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, you know that. Okay, then 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter means we are multiplying. Okay, is equal to 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter, isn't it? Okay, so 1 ones are 1 centimeter square it is. So 10 tens are 100. So millimeter square. So that's why 1 centimeter square is equal to 10 millimeter square here. In the same way, you can check meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So if you know these all, we can go for the exercise for the solutions. Okay, go for the 11.1 exercise. So it based on the rectangle, I think. So go for the question number 1. The length and breadth of the rectangular piece of land. See, length and breadth. Okay, in a shortcut way we can also write length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land is 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. So the respectively, the meaning is first length occurs means the first data is length, second breadth means second one is 300. That is the meaning of respectively we have to take. Okay, so length is 500, breadth is 300 meter. So find its area. So area we have to find the cost of the land. If 1 meter square of land is cost 10,000. So what is the meaning of this? I'll tell afterwards. First find the area here. See, length of rectangular piece of land is 500 meter. So write the data given in the question. So breadth is 300 meter. Then area we have to find. So area of rectangle is a length into breadth. So length is a 500 and breadth is 300. 5 3s are 15. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros are there. So how much it is? 1,50,000 meters square. See here. Second question is the cost of a land if 1 meter square of land cost 10,000 meter square. See, this area has a 1,50,000 meter square land. Okay, for 1 meter square, 10,000 means for 1,50,000 meters. Okay, how much it is? So what we have to do? Multiply 10,000 into 1,50,000. So this is how we can do. Since the cost of 1 meter square land is equal to 10,000 rupees, then therefore 1,50,000 we have. 1,50,000 meters land we have. For 1 meter square, 10,000 means 1,50,000 meter square land is about how much? So you can read it. So then go for the second question. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. See here one square park is there, perimeter is given. So perimeter is given means 4 into side, isn't it? So 4 into side is given as a 320 meter. Find the area they asked. So we have to find the area. So if you need area means what is the area formula? Side into side. Side into side means we don't know the side of a given square. Then how we can find? So use this one. So what is that? 4 into side. 4 into side is 320. Then side keep as it is only. 4 you transfer that side. Multiplication to division it becomes. So cancel. So 320 by 4. 4 8s are 32. 0 as it is. So 80 meter is a one side of a square. So now side we got means what is the area? Side into side. So 80 into 80 meter into 80 meter. So 80 is 6,400 meter into meter square. So this is 6,400 meter square is the area. Then go for the third one. Find the breadth of the rectangular plot of land if its area is, see rectangle is there. So length and breadth it comes. So area is given 440 meter square. Then length is given 22 meter. Also find its length. So breadth we have to find. Then perimeter we have to find. Okay, so this is the given thing. Area of rectangular park is 440. What is the area formula? Length into breadth. So already length is given 22, breadth as it is. So 22 transfer that side, what it becomes? 440 by 22. So breadth is a 20 meter. So now perimeter means 2 into length plus breadth. So length is, we know 22, breadth is 20. Then 22 plus 20 is 42. 2 into 42 is 84 meter. So thus the perimeter of rectangular park is 84 meter. Then fourth one, the perimeter of rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is, so same as it is in the before, but instead of perimeter they have asked the area here. So you must find it. Okay, once again I'll show this one also. Perimeter of rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter and 2 into length plus breadth is given 100. So transfer to that side. 100 by 2 is 50. So length is 35. So 35 plus is there. If you transfer that side, minus it becomes. So breadth is equal to 50 minus 35, 15 centimeter. So area of rectangular is length into breadth. So substitute the values as a length 35, breadth 15. So if you multiply the 35 into 15, 525 centimeter square. Now go for the fifth question. The area of square park is the same as the rectangular park. So if the side of a square is, see, area of a square is equal to area of rectangle. Then area of a side is a formula, side into side, it may be A. So but square side is 60 into 60 is given. Okay. Then length of the rectangular. So length into breadth, it is length into breadth. But length is given how much? Length into breadth is given. So length is 90 centimeter. And breadth of the, find the breadth. So see here. So this is given. What we have to do? 90 transfer this side. So what it becomes? 60 into 60 divided by 90. You will get, if you simplify these two, you will get a breadth here. So this is how we can write. The side of a square park is 60 meter. Length of rectangular park is 90 meter. According to the question, area of a square park and rectangular park are same. So that side into side is equal to length into breadth. So side is 60 is equal to 90 into breadth. So breadth is equal to 60 into 60 divided by 90. That gives a 40 meter as a breadth. Then go for the sixth one. A wire is in the shape of the rectangle. Its length is 40. Breadth is 22. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape encloses more area. Here it is a tricky question, you must understand practically. See, we have a one rectangular shape, maybe 40 centimeter length, 22 centimeter breadth. So what they made, the surrounded wire we have rebent as made as a square, means all sides are same. So what is the meaning of this? The perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. Do you agree? Yes. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square here. Then at that time what will be the side? So we have to equate the perimeters first, then find the side. Also find the which shape encloses more area, then find both the areas, so that you can understand which area occupies more, square or rectangle. Understood? So rebenting means it is called as a perimeters. They are discussing about perimeters. Remanufacturing the solids is called as a area, it will come. Okay, that volume, so it is called as volume. You will study in a 10th standard. So according to the question, perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. 4 into side is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So 4 into side, length is 40, breadth is 22, substitute value. So 40 plus 22, 62. Then 2 into 62 is 4 divided by, because it is multiplication, you will simplify, 31 centimeter square side it has. Then the side of the square is 31 centimeter. Find the area of both. Rectangular area is length into breadth. 40 into 22 is 880 centimeter square. Area of a square is side into side, 31 into 31, so 961 meter square. So which is more here? So square area occupies more. So the comparing on the area of square is greater than the rectangle. So seventh one is perimeter is given here, so you must find it. Now eighth one, a door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall. See, whitewashing the wall means you have to remove the door, because wall only we are painting the wall, not to the door here. If this is the case, so we have to, how we can find? Painting means area. See, door also they given. So 2 meter length, 1 meter breadth. So length of wall is 4.5 meter. So 4.5 meter, this one, and breadth is 2.6. So in this area multiplication, we have to subtract the area of door. Okay, area of door we have to subtract. Then remaining area also we can find. So that remaining area is nothing but to whitewash, to paint the wall, isn't it? So at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. For one, that meaning is for 1 meter square 20 rupees, that is the meaning. So understood. So what is given here? Area of rectangular door is equal to length into breadth. 2 meter into 1 meter is equal to 2 meter square. Then area of wall including door, total first we have to take the area, then we have to subtract the wall door. So length into breadth 4.5 into 3.6, so it is 16.2 meter square. Then in total door you subtract, you'll get a whitewashing area. So area of wall including door, excluding door means leaving the door, because for door we cannot whitewash, that's why area of wall including door minus area of door. 16.2 minus 2 is equal to 14.2 meter square. Then since the rate of whitewashing of a 1 meter square, the wall is equal to rupees 20. So we have how many meter square area now? 14.2 meter square. But for 1 meter square rupees 20 means for a 14 meter square how much? So we have to multiply 14.2 with the 20 rupees. You will get a rupees 284. So the cost of whitewashing the wall excluding the door is rupees 284. So now go for the next exercise. Find the area of the parallelogram. See, parallelogram area of formula is side length into height, or base into height. So height is nothing but the perpendicular distance to the from the corner to the base. So if the height is 4 centimeter, this is a base. So this is 3 centimeter is a height, means 5 centimeter is a base. So 3.5 centimeter is a height, means 2.5 centimeter is a base here. So only one I'll show, remaining you must do. Excuse me. So first one, we know that the base into height, area of parallelogram is base into height. So here in the first diagram, see, base is 7 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. So here is the base is 7 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter, area of parallelogram is 7 into 4, that is 28 centimeter square. So remaining you can do it. Then here also the area of find the area of triangles. So we know that area of triangle is a half into base into height. So before the parallelogram only base into height, but triangle area is half base into height. So this is your height base perpendicular. So this 4 centimeter is the height, 3 centimeter is the base, 2 centimeter is the height, 3 centimeter is the base. So here base is equal to area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So base is 4 centimeter, height is 3 centimeter, area of triangle half into 4 into 3. So 4 3s are 12, 12 by 2 is 6 centimeter square. So this is the all remaining. Even the find the missing values. So area of parallelogram, just multiply base into height and write. So already here area of parallelogram is given, base is given, just divide it. So 246 divided by 20. Why? Because why we have to take, so base into height is 246 means, so we know base how much? 20 into height is equal to 246. So height is equal to 246 by 20, because it is a multiplication. If you transfer that side it becomes a plus. So 2 tens are 2 ones are 2 2s are 2 3s are. So 123 by 10 we can write as a 12.3. So 12.3 is a height. This is how you have to write. So it is reverse. Instead of base, height is given. This one also. And this is a same as it is. Then go for the fourth question. Here the triangle base. So here base is given. Triangle area of triangle is given. How much? 87. That is nothing but half of base into height is 87. So we know the base. So half I'll transfer that side. So BH is equal to 87 into 2 because it is in the denominator. If you transfer that side, it becomes a multiplication. So BH is equal to 87 into 2. So then B we know that. So 15 is equal to 15 into H. So 87 into 2. So H is equal to 87 into 2 divided by 15. So 15 is a product here. If you transfer this side, it becomes a division. So if you simplify this all, 11.6 centimeter. So this is your height. You can write here 11.6 in the table. So this is how the remaining you can do it. Okay. Then next one, PQRS is a parallelogram. So the diagram is given here. QM is a height. See here. QM is a height and QN is also height here. Keep it in mind. Then QM is a height from Q. Then see, if QM is a height, we have to take SR as a base. Or else, if you taken QN is a height, at that time PS is a height. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, see, if QM is a per height, at that time SR is a base. Then, what is the condition? QN is a height of from the Q to PS. So, SR is how much? 12 centimeter. Then QM is 7.6. Find area of parallelogram PRS. PQRS it is. Printing mistake. So PQRS QN. If PS is 8 centimeter, then what is the QN you have to find? So first find the area of parallelogram. So what is the area of parallelogram? Base into height. Is that true? So now SR is equal to 12 centimeter, QM is equal to 7.6 centimeter, PS is equal to 8 centimeter. So area of parallelogram base into height. So if you are taken the base height as a QM means, then base is 12 centimeter. So at that time area of a parallelogram is 91.2 centimeter square. See here, whatever may be the height, whatever may be the base, so area always same. Okay, if you taken the base and height, this one, and finding the area is always equal to if you taken the base and height, this is also same, because it is constructed by the same parallelogram. That's why what we can write, we got a 91.2 as a area. Then base if you taken as a base PS 8 centimeter, then QN is equal to, so QN is equal to transfer that 8 that side, what it becomes 91.2 divided by 8. If you simplify, 11.4 is a centimeter of height. Okay, then go for the sixth question. It is also same thing. DL and BM are the heights. DL and BM are the heights on the sides AB and AD respectively. So that means if you taken a BM as a height, AD is perpendicular base. Then if you are taken the DL is a height, at that time AB is a perpendicular distance. ABCD, if the area of parallelogram, so total parallelogram is given, then AB is equal to 35, AD is equal to 49. Find the BM and DL. So here we have to find it. So what we can write? I can write both like this. See, BM as a height into AD. Okay, it is a height, it is a base. Is always equal to DL with respect to AB. Can I write? Because it is a height and base. So both are H1, B1, H2, B2. Okay, both are same. For correspondence to H1, B1 into H2, B2. Area will be same because both areas only with the same parallelogram. So at that time you can write the values, isn't it? So how it is? So area of parallelogram 1470 centimeter square, base is 35 centimeter, base AD is 49 centimeter, area of parallelogram is like this. Okay, so 35 transfer this side, it becomes divide, that time DL is equal to, by the division, 42 centimeter. Again you can apply to this parallelogram BM as a height. At that time, if you same process, if you done 30 centimeter you got. So that the length of DL BM is equal to 42 centimeter and 30 centimeter respectively. Now go for the seventh one. Triangle ABC is a right angled at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. Then if AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 13 centimeter, AC is equal to 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. Also find the length of AD. See here, perpendicular is there means you can consider if AB is perpendicular to AC means you can take the base and height as a AB and AC. If you are taken the perpendicular distance, this one I can take it as D. Okay, so it is not there. So AD is perpendicular to BC. See, the area of a triangle is half into base into height. With the same parallelogram what you have done, no, same thing here. So base if you are taken AD, sorry, height if you are taken AD means BC as a base. So height of AC is given means base is 12 centimeter. Both areas are same. Find the AD value means we can equate all. Okay, then in right angle triangle BAC. So BAC is where it is, BAC, right angle triangle. AB is equal to 5, AC is equal to 12. So it is AB is base and it is a height. So area of triangle is half into base into height. Base is 5, 12 as a height, 30 centimeter square. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC it is no, ABD it is. Okay, ABD. Or else you can take a ABC also, same thing. ABC, this is also perpendicular height only, not instead of AD. So only name the D it is. So half into base into AD. So area of triangle is 30, half as it is, 13 is a BC, AD we don't keep as it is. 2 if you transfer that side it becomes a multiplication, 13 if you transfer it becomes a division here. So that's why 30 into 2 divided by 30 gives the 60 by 13 centimeter. Okay, so the last question. Triangle ABC is isosceles with AB is equal to AC. Where is AB is equal to AC here? AB is equal to AC, full, not A to E. And BC is a 9 centimeter. The height AD is from A to BC it is. find the is 6 centimeter total. Then find the area of triangle ABC. What will be the height of C to B? So then C to AB, that is C, we can find. So in triangle ABC, what we can write? AD is a 6 centimeter and BC as a height. So find the area first. Then half into base into height. So base is 9 centimeter, height is 6 centimeter. So 9 6 are 54. 54 divided by 2 is 27 centimeter square. Then area of triangle base if you taken as a AB and ACE base. So at that time 27 is a area, half as it is 7.5 centimeter is base AB, and CE we don't know, can keep as it is only. So transfer 1 by 1, 2 if you transfer multiplication, 7.5 if you transfer it becomes a division here. So if you simplify this, 7.2 centimeter is CE. So this is all about the area and perimeter of the rectangle, square and a triangle and parallelogram. So next circle about we can study in the next class. Thank you.